Morning people, welcome you all back to my channel once again. This is Djmahaneet and you're riding with me today as we explore a new destination. I'm sure you would have guessed where I'm headed to. This is the airport road, just past the airport, International Airport, and I am going to it's a Saturday, so a lot of bikers today on the road. I'm heading towards Penugonda. So, welcome you all once again. And if you're new to my channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Also hit the bell icon to get all the latest updates of all my videos. Beautiful weather here at Djmahaneet right now. We've got about another 100 kilometers to go to reach Penugonda. It's been a long time since I came on this road. I used to ride a lot when I had my CB1000. I used to do the Chikpadapur Kamat, which is gone right now. And of course Nadi we used to do a lot. So just passing by the Nandi Upachar. Hardly any ride to here. We used to come to IPC, I remember, which is hardly any ride. Hardly 10 minutes, 15 minutes, 20 minutes ride. And those days we used to do a lot of breakfast rides when I had my CB1000. Just realized what a waste of time doing all those breakfast rides just to gossip. So the time right now is 7:45 in the morning, and we should be at Penugonda by 9:15, I'm guessing. Stay tuned people for another beautiful ride today. And this of course is IPC. Well, gone there behind, and that is Nandi Upachar after that. This is a new peripheral ring road connecting Hoskote to Tumkur Road. I think it goes to all the way to Dabaspet, if I'm not wrong. So should try that road once. That's Nandi Upachar. Maybe I would come back here for breakfast. Let's see. It's too early for breakfast right now. So my 2-point advice for today: take life easy, keep it simple. That's the secret to be happy. Always smile. No point in chasing and being in a rat race. You don't know what you're chasing, what you're trying to prove to people. Just do whatever makes you happy. Keep smiling, spread the happiness always. Life is short, make it worthwhile. That's what I believe in. Hyderabad 500 kilometers and we are in Chikbalapur right now. Didn't take too long. It's a breeze to ride on the 390. Wow, check out the Innova. He just managed to climb that hill. So already done about 70 kilometers I think from home. Hardly any time. Was quick breeze. Beautiful morning here, Saturday morning, as I explore a bit of Telangana today, crossing the border from Karnataka into Telangana, former Andhra. Stay tuned. So there's a small diversion from the highway just before Bagepalli. Close to 100 kilometers I've done today, and the time is 8 o'clock, 8 a.m. So lost a bit of time because of this diversion. So this is the beautiful Penugonda sunrise viewpoint. You should come here if you're around on this road heading towards Hyderabad or coming back from Hyderabad. This is the Bangalore Hyderabad highway. Beautiful place. Hardly anybody comes here. Amazing twisties and roads to climb all the way to the top. It's about 5 kilometers. So hope you like this vlog of mine of Penugonda and you'd like the drone shots. Do give me a thumbs up if you like the video, and follow me on social media. My Instagram handle is Djmahaneet. Also my Facebook fan page is also Djmahaneet. So until the next one, it's sayonara, adios, and it's goodbye. Thank you very much for watching once again. See you on the next one. So that's it from this sunrise point in Penugonda. I'll leave the link to the location if anybody of you want to come. Thank you once again for watching. It's bye bye.